What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable the magnifier, this zoom feature, on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, we do life-saving tech videos, so feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's jump right into it. So you may have gotten yourself into this magnifier zoom feature by mistake, and you're having trouble getting out, and it can get really annoying. Or you can also use this if you want to enable it for any reason that you may want to use the magnifier. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So there's a couple ways you can get out of this. One of the ways is you can triple tap the screen. Okay, as you can see, it got out by triple tapping. Also, you can move around with 2 fingers if you need to navigate around the zoom, and you can pinch to zoom in and out. Another way to do it is by holding the Gemini or power lock button and the volume up button, and by holding it for 3 seconds and releasing. So let's press them. 1, 2, 3, release. And as you can see, it zooms out back to normal. And then another way that you can also do it is by holding volume up and volume down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, release. And there you go, it zoomed out. So there you go, that's how you get out of the magnifier zoom setting. I'm gonna show you now where to find these settings, and also you could use this if you wanna enable it. So go to your settings. Here in settings, you're gonna scroll down to accessibility. Here in accessibility, you're gonna go to where it says vision enhancements. And then here, we are going to scroll down to magnification. Here you can select a couple different things to enable or disable the magnification shortcut. You can disable this if you're not planning on using magnification. Here, magnification type, you can do full screen magnification, partial screen, or allow switching between partial and full. And then the other thing you could do is here in magnification shortcut, you can select which way you want the magnifier to activate and deactivate. So you can select these on or off. I would at least select one. I like the triple tap option the best. But you can just disable this altogether so that it will not activate the zoom feature anymore. So now if you triple tap, it's not going to activate the zoom feature. It'll just lock your phone. All right, so there you go. That is how you disable and enable the zoom feature, also known as the screen magnifier, on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. Go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out, and comment down below and let me know if it did. Still holding on to an old device? Well, with Redevice, you can get an instant price and sell it in seconds. No hassle work, no guesswork. And if you're upgrading, you can shop certified devices too. Check it out at Redevice, link down below. So that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.